We finally made it. Hello viewers and welcome to my very first Apprentice vlog. Today I will be taking you guys to a trip to Mount Bromo, which is situated in East Java, Indonesia. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. Finally, after 3 hours of wait, I'm finally seated in my passenger seat, which is the 23rd row. As you guys might know, this might be the last day of Ramadan, right? Hopefully, I don't know.
Tomorrow it's time for Raya.
So yeah, safe flight, and I hope to see you guys again. 2 hours and 45 minutes of flight time have passed, and thankfully we landed safely in Indonesia. Up next, we're heading towards a renowned cafe and resort in Probolinggo Regency. So as you can see guys, we are taking a quick detour at a place just under Mount Bromo, which is called Albania Cafe. It is renowned to have one of the amazing home-brewed coffee in Probolinggo here in East Java. Yeah, as you can see, this place is just astonishing. The morning fog clouding over the mount is absolutely breathtaking over here. You just take a few moments to relax here, and already you will feel serene here. Henceforth, we're going to take a quick lunch break over here. I'm having a coffee right now. It's vanilla latte. And yeah, a quick lunch break before ascending towards the villa that we're going to stay in. So I'll see you guys later on. Shortly after arriving at Selina Homestay, we proceeded ascending to a place known as Seruni Point, which is a hiking trail and a popular sunrise lookout overlooking striking views of Mount Bromo. Now as you can see, I'm walking upwards towards what is called this Seruni Point, which is the peak of just under Mount Bromo, and the view is totally worth it in a few minutes. How do you feel, girl? See up there? We're almost there for real. Just a few steps, and then we're at the peak.
Alright.
Guys, we finally made it, guys. I'm so excited right now. Now it's time to descend to the parking lot. So that's the end of the line for today. Yeah, it was really exhausting. Our walk took about 1.5 kilometers upwards and downwards, so in total it's 3 kilometers. Yet the adventure is not over. Tomorrow we will actually hike the peak of Mount Bromo on condition that we need to wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning. I hope to see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace. So just in case if you guys don't know what 13 degrees is like in Bromo, here it is. So we diverted from the actual main viewpoint because it is too crowded up there. But yeah, anyways, we have an alternative viewpoint which is just near us. So I'm gonna take you guys over there, okay? See you. So yeah guys, we finally descended from the sunrise viewpoint. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of horses which they offer horse for you guys to march onto the crater. You have the option to either buy the horse or just walk, but for me, I'm just going to walk. after just a few kilometers, you will eventually reach the crater, but you need to face some view stairs, which is right over here. Guys, I think I figured out this might be the best way to end the video right here. Thank you so much for your support. If you found this content very attracting to you, then I would very appreciate if you like and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I'll see you more for Vlog Apprentice Part 2. Peace out, guys.